I am going to start with the low earth orbit. Okay? And before I said that one thing is there, my question is, why do satellites are revolving around Earth? Why do satellites are revolving around Earth at a fixed height, with certain speed, but not falling towards Earth? Why do satellites are revolving around Earth at a fixed height with certain speed but not falling towards Earth? Clear? So let us see this. Okay, what is it? What is this? If I am talking about, you know that if I send a satellite with the rocket, PSLV or GSLV, we are sending it, and after going there at a certain height, it start revolving and do not fall towards the Earth. Why? You know that generally we used to give very high speed when we are projecting. My one understanding, I will come on to this page again. One idea, if I have to say, like if this is the Earth and a portion is standing here and he throws the ball with some speed, and then if he throw the ball with certain speed, then what will happen? It will move and fall down here. Then again he increased his speed, then he moved and fall down here. And I am talking about, it is one of the experiment of Newton. Listen me carefully. Perhaps you are going to understand it today. But this has been understood by this Newton many years ago. And again this portion has thrown this ball there, and then he fall here. Then again, as the speed he is increasing, the ball is reaching far and far. As he is increasing the speed, the ball is reaching far and far. And again I said that now again I threw the ball, and then ball started moving, and it is able to reach here. And again I thrown the ball with more speed, and then it is able to, I said that it is able to fall, but it is not able to fall toward the Earth. He is trying to fall toward the Earth, but the Earth is not there. Earth is in a, you know, that geoid shape, looking like little spherical. After certain speed, if I am throwing something, then it will not, the speed should be such that after certain speed it looks like that it is falling toward the Earth, but it is, he wants to fall toward the Earth, but there is no space, though there is no Earth surface because it is spherical, it keep on. I said that. Here again he said that let me fall down, he is about to fall but not falling, he is, then I said that circulating, revolving around the Earth. So there should be some speed, you know that, there should be some speed. I have given a basic idea that yes, there should be a certain speed to what I said, that revolve around Earth. So if I say that, perhaps this small concept must be little bit clear. Okay, this is the practice, this is the practical done, not a practical done, but it is, I said that it is done by the Newton in some experimental manner, not on the Earth, but they are saying something, okay, this is in a big ball, I am throwing here, then what will happen? So my question is here, that here it is moving. Life may kabhi, you in the life you must have done one thing. Yes, good, all of you are doing something good here. Let us see if we have done one thing is there. In the childhood you are, I said that revolving a ball, it is attached with a string or a rope, and it is moving around you, yes or not? If it is moving around you, so you have seen that suppose something is moving around you are making it to circulate, then on this ball which is circulating, then this ball is finding one force toward the portion who is circulating in the hand center, and one force is finding away, yes or not? One force is trying to pull towards the portion hand, and one force is trying to, what I said, that move away. So that move away is a centrifugal force, and the force which is making it to move toward, to attract toward the earth, then it is what happen, I said that one it is finding gravitational force toward the earth, and one it is finding what, centrifugal force away from the earth. So why? One idea I have given with the Newton's law, and another I said that when they will move, when then the force, gravitational force of the satellite is equal to the centrifugal force. Gravitational force of the satellite is equal to the centrifugal force, and if I am talking about, and gravitational force, you know that it is the mass of earth, and the satellite mass is what, m. So must be, you must have studied in the class 9th or 10th, if you are not having a science subject in 11th 12th, must have studied in the class 9th and 10th about this gravity, that is a g m upon r square, and r square is the distance of satellite from the earth. Yes, perhaps you remember, even if you do not remember, then you can, even those who are having a humanity background and say that sir I have never, I do not remember class 9th and 10th, then even then you just think ki yes, it is the two masses are there, this is mass m and it is the capital mass of the m earth, and they are what is attracting each other. Any body in this world, in this universe is having some gravitational force, किसी न किसी से attracted है, they are attracted by anything, something. So g m r square, and centrifugal force, you already you know that it is the mass of this, and he is finding centrifugal force to move away from the center. Centrifugal force means away from the center, centripetal means towards the center. So here it is a centrifugal, it is, I said that m, this is the mass of this, and he is trying to move with certain speed, mb square upon r. Suppose I said that I am making it to circulate, the ball is circulating around, my hand. If I will decrease the speed, the ball will lose its path or lose its orbit, and it will fall towards my hand. Possibly it will start falling. If the speed, आपने कभी देखा होगा, if I am doing like this, after certain, if you will start slowing the speed, it will start falling down towards what? Earth. So there should be a certain speed required. I have said earlier, there should be a certain speed required to what? Move in a particular orbit. So this is the mass of, and can I cancel this? Small m cancel. And in the similar way, this equation you should not write in your mains examination if it has been asked. I am just making you to try to understand you something. And you know that something like this, 7 into 8 upon 4 into 4 equals to 38 upon 2. So I can cancel 2 like this, 2 2 is 4. I can cancel lower, upper also. So similarly I can cancel r with this r. So what left here? Gm upon r equals to v square, and Gm upon r under root v. Yes or not? Yes or not? So v equals to what I got? V equals to, I got what? V equals to under root Gm upon r. It is clear, Gm upon r. Yes or not? V equals to under root Gm upon r. So my question is here, one thing that you have understood earlier in your life, directly proportional and inversely proportional. Perhaps all of you know that. Directly proportional and inversely proportional. So my question is here, can I say that if something is, I said that one question मैं आपसे ले लेता हूँ, speed equals to distance upon time. So can I say that speed is directly proportional to distance, and s and t are not in the same height? Yes or not? It is like this. So can I say that speed is inversely proportional to time? Speed is directly proportional to distance when the time is constant. ये सब मुझे नहीं कहना है, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बेसिक समझाना चाहता हूँ. Some people cannot understand also. मैं इसीलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ when the time is constant. Suppose I said that speed is directly proportional to distance. Suppose you are moving with the 100 km per hour. In 1 hour you will cover 100 km. Yes or not? But suppose you are moving in the 200 km per hour. So in 1 hour you will cover 200 km. If you are moving with 300 km per hour, then in 1 hour you will cover 300. If you are increasing the speed, the distance is also increasing. This is known as a directly proportional. This is known as what? Directly proportional. One is increasing, other is increasing. One is increasing, other is increasing. One is decreasing, other is decreasing. यदि आप स्पीड कर दोगे 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर, so in 1 hour you will move 50 kilometer distance less. So, and speed is inversely proportional to time. Like I said that speed is inversely proportional to time. If I said that I am moving with 100 kilometer per hour, 100 kilometer per hour, yes or not? 100 kilometer per hour, and I have to go 100 kilometer. I have to go 100 kilometer. What the time will be taken? यदि 100 किलोमीटर 100 किलोमीटर को 100 किलोमीटर से करेंगे तो it will be 1 hour. I am moving with 100 kilometer per hour. I have to cover a distance 100 kilometer, so 1 hour. If I am moving in the 200 kilometer per hour and I have to go 100 kilometer, then divide by 200 cancel, half hour may will cover. If I have to go 100 kilometer but I am moving the 400 kilometer per hour, then I will cover in the 1 by 4 hours. Means speed and time is inversely. Can I say that speed and distance of satellite is inversely proportional? Do not, it is not required under root. Under root नहीं required है, बस मेरे ये concern है. Speed of the satellite is inversely proportional to the radius. Radius नहीं, better to say the distance of satellite from the Earth's surface. What I have said that speed of satellite in a given orbit is inversely proportional to distance, that is r, distance of satellite from Earth. And what is the meaning of inversely? One is increasing, other is decreasing. One is increasing, other is decreasing, and one is decreasing, so another is increasing. Yes or not? So this is the, यदि आप speed increase करोगे, then you will reach early. Again you increase more your speed, you will reach your house little more early. If you will decrease your speed, you will take more time to reach your house. The speed and time is inversely. So similarly, velocity and the satellite distance is inversely to sustained. And how we found this equation? I have said one thing, that for a satellite to sustain in a given orbit, a satellite to be sustained in a given orbit, there's force, gravitational force of the satellite, it is applying on the satellite, and the centrifugal force, both are same. And when both are same, then what we have been able to get the equation कि V is inversely proportional to radius. इसका मतलब है कि if this is the Earth, if the satellite is moving here with, I said that suppose 40,000 kilometer per hour at this, then if I will go here, then it will move with, I said that 32,000 kilometer per hour. If the distance is increasing, speed is decreasing. Distance is increasing, speed is, if I say that if it is the distance further increase, now here it will move with 28,000 kilometer per hour. Means if the distance is increasing further, if the distance is increasing, I said what? If the distance of satellite is increasing, speed is decreasing. So what the word you have learned? With increasing distance of a satellite, with increasing distance of a satellite, speed keep on decreasing to maintain them in the given orbit around Earth. With increasing distance of a satellite, speed keep on decreasing to maintain them in the given orbit around Earth. So around Earth we should keep on, I said that we should keep on what? If I will keep on moving. So now tell me, my question is, speed of satellite in the low Earth orbit will be high or medium Earth orbit will be high? Whose speed of satellite will be higher to maintain in its orbit? Where the speed of satellite is higher, in the low Earth orbit or in medium Earth orbit? My question is, no, distance is not from the center of the earth. In this case, distance is not from the center of the earth. I said from the earth surface, from the earth surface. Now my question is, beta, everyone, speed of the satellite will be more in the low earth orbit or in comparatively in the medium earth orbit. In which satellite speed should be more to maintain themselves? Which orbit satellite speed will be higher? Which satellite speed will be higher? Yes, speed of the satellite, which one? Low earth orbit will be higher and medium earth orbit will be, I said that, comparatively less. And if I will go to the geosynchronous earth orbit, there will be comparatively much more less, comparatively 36,000 kilometer. Yes or not? I am not saying always 35,786, I am just saying that it is what? 36,000 kilometer. Just always take this round figure, and if you are writing in the mains, it will be also supposed to be the correct. Okay, because 36 you are writing it, but it is not the factual aspect of it, it is asking. So everyone is absolutely okay, then I can move I towards the low earth orbit. अब हम लोग start करने जा रहे हैं. I have given most of the idea about, yes or not? So we can say that, अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, suppose I said that it is moving and इसकी स्पीड कम कर दूंगा तो किधर गिरेगा? तो स्पीड कम नहीं होने देना है, ध्यान रखना है, स्पीड शुड नेवर बी लेस. सपोज आप एक ऑर्बिट में फिक्स हो गए तो यू शुड कीप ऑन मूविंग अराउंड द ऑर्बिट, एंड जैसे ही स्पीड कम किया यू कैन द सैटेलाइट विल मूव टुवर्ड द अर्थ. सो नाउ अब हमारा स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है लो अर्थ ऑर्बिट.